Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Amal Ibrahim from Jordan. This was my first experience with UCG conferences and I really enjoyed the comprehensive lineup of speakers and subjects being discussed. This was a great conference. I really enjoyed to share my experience and hear from others a critical and a great issues in healthcare industry. Great job pulling off the conference more beautifully. And thanks UCG for giving me the Best Coordinator Award and certificate. Really, I appreciate that. So, congrats UCG team for this beautiful conference, and I highly encourage everyone to attend the next year conferences. I said this before and I will repeat it again. I'm really happy to be back. Thank you.